Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the topic that is city creation. In this basically we have created 20 percentage error of the education basically. So one of the person told that basically education really is error basically. In this basically we are talking about one topic that is Vadodara city basically. In Vadodara city basically there is one temple basically called Pavagadh temple basically. In that basically Pavagadh temple basically the mountain basically there is one temple basically which contains Mahakalis and basically lots of god basically are there basically. Sri Krishna god is there, then Hanuman god is there, Hanumanji Sri Ram god is there. In this basically this temple you can see basically this temple is there. This was basically not there basically long before basically, but this temple actually created by one group basically that basically don't know basically that basically one Gujarati caste basically group basically who are basically very old Gujaratis basically who actually started basically might the Gujarati caste basically that might possible. I am exactly don't know basically. Somebody told basically that the Gujarati caste basically how started na, that actually basically they group basically who created this temple basically. And in this basically previously basically this side basically was not there, only mountain was there basically. In this mountain basically the lava blast was happened, and the lava blast was happened and there basically was hole basically, and that hole basically was connecting to the lava blast, and that basically connects to the mostly basically connects to the hundreds of country basically. That much basically hole basically is there basically. That basically is correct or not, that basically needs to verify basically whether it is correct or basically don't know basically. Then basically the hundreds of country basically connects to that basically, because lava blast was happened basically, that's why. So like this basically in this temple, before this temple basically the one hole was there in the Pavagadh mountain basically. Within that hole basically this mountain basically was prepared, and this mountain basically the god basically exists here basically is Mahakali god basically. In this Mahakal, this temple basically the lava blast was happened long before, but that time basically the temple was not there. Now basically the temple is there basically. So this is the basically the main temple basically who says basically that Pavagadh mountain basically, that is just near to Vadodara city. There is one mountain basically that is called as a Pavagadh mountain. That mountain basically was created on the base of the lava blast basically, which was happened long before. Must might be basically 2 to 3 lakh 4 lakh year before basically. So this temple basically is how many years old basically, that basically need to check basically, just that also basically we check how many years basically this temple is basically established in year basically. Just see basically 10th century basically and 11th century. So just imagine basically how much old basically. Mother Kali basically, temple to Mother Kali, which is the oldest area basically. It's very oldest area basically, and it is basically hill basically, Pavagadh hill basically. It is given as a name as a hill basically. See basically, see basically, this is that mountain basically I am talking about. So this mountain basically has created on the base of the lava blast, which was happened long before basically. And that time basically the lots of earthquake also basically might have came in the Vadodara city, and like this basically the Vadodara's land basically created. That time basically there was no house also basically. That also we can say basically. That time not a single house basically was there in the Vadodara city basically. That time basically from that time basically the Pavagadh mountain basically exists. 10th century basically, you can just imagine basically. From that time basically the Vadodara city exists basically. It might possible that basically some house basically might have prepared by some one of the group basically, but that time basically might be basically, but that is not confirmed basically, because the only satellite group basically can say basically that, because they have the each and every views of the Vadodara city basically, what is happening in the Vadodara city, each and every view basically they have basically. So like this basically our things are also basically there. So like this one of the person told that basically are really basically the temple underground, the temple under the temple basically, that is in Hindi basically called as a niche. the temple basically in downside basically the temple, the hole basically is there, and in hole basically the lava blast has happened. Just see the name also given, see na basically what actually they have given the name is. See the name also basically, hill, hole and lava. Just see basically the character also you see basically, HILL basically. H stands for hole and L stands for lava basically. So just see basically of the people who gives the character name also, that also basically you see. So how basically they give the name also basically, hill, Pavagadh, hill Pavagadh, like this basically name basically they have given basically. So whenever Pavagadh is going to basically gets trouble basically, that means entire Vadodara is going to get trouble basically. But that basically will never happen. Why? Because the temple is there na basically. Mahakali temple is there. That's why basically never basically Vadodara city is going to get in trouble basically. Why? Because there is temple basically. That's why. So one of the person told that, yeah, basically, are you sure basically this type of, then basically it's 100 country, you have the list of that 100 country basically. Then he told that basically 100 country basically might be, because it might possible that this mountain hole basically might be connecting to the Everest and Himalaya also basically. It might possible basically. Then he told that, oh, then basically it's very dangerous thing, yeah, basically, which you are told basically. It's very dangerous thing basically, which you have told basically. Then one of the person told that basically that 100 plane basically get crashed basically from in Everest and basically in Himalaya mountain basically. That basically up to what level that connection is basically, yeah, basically up to what level Asian connection are basically there basically. And this type of thing basically has created in Europe also, in USA also. So up to what level this connection is basically. Then basically the question basically was very dangerous actually. And this topic basically we have already discussed basically. So one of the person told that basically like this basically the education center is basically there basically. So one of the person told that basically each and every word basically has created city, right, basically. Then into the layers basically words are equal to cities. So Vadodara city has created how many words basically? Then he told that basically around 12 to 13 words basically. Mostly basically might be basically. It's not 100% sure basically, but it might possible that this many words basically might have created by the Vadodara city basically. So each and every city basically creates some certain level of words. There are basically 4 to 5 crore words basically. Assume there is that basically 2 to 3 crore. We will not take too much words basically. 2 to 3 crore words basically are created by the earth planet basically, and on the base of that words basically the cities has created. On the base of that basically the cities has created basically. On the base of that basically the cities has created. On the base of that the city was created. So one person told that, do we have the list of basically each and every city basically who created the word? Then one of the software company raised their hand basically and told that basically, yes, I have the word list basically. I have the list of word basically. Raise the hand like this basically. Raise the hand like this basically. And told that basically I have the list of words basically of Vadodara city also. Then one of the person told that basically are more than 3,75,000 cities are basically there, and each city basically created around 12 to 13 words basically. So how basically that's mapped basically. So here basically only the global warming error basically is there basically. The group who created each and every city basically, they basically has connected to this error basically, that group basically. In next video basically we are going to see basically that about that particular group basically who created this each and every words basically and kept Mumbai city in front of the world basically, and Oxford University also basically in front of the world.